Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Volkswagen Tiguan key. First, locate the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press and hold this button firmly. This action will release the emergency key blade. Now, carefully pull the metal key blade completely out of its slot. This reveals the next step for accessing the internal components. With the emergency key removed, you'll see a small slot inside the opening. Take a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic prying tool and insert it into this slot. Apply gentle pressure and carefully twist the tool. This action will help you separate the two halves of the key fob without causing any damage. Be patient and avoid excessive force. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the coin cell battery. Before removing it, take a moment to note its type and how it's oriented. Carefully pry out the old battery. Now, insert the new battery, making sure the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. This ensures proper function. To reassemble, align the two halves of the key fob carefully and press them together until you hear a click, indicating they are securely fastened. Then, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until it locks into place. Test your key to ensure it functions correctly. Also, for other great deals and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.